It's the last day here at
Hotel
Daun.
Bali.
This is our last breakfast, so that's where we're heading to right now. Let's go. Brother, Eli got a bit sick this morning again. So Vanda's got his. What do you got, Vanda? He's got bread and Nutella we bought from the shops. Come on, Vanda. Let's go.
Before we might as well show you guys the breakfast buffet since we haven't done it yet.
I done it a bit in the beginning.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, but you can do it again.
Okay. So they had like fresh fruits, a little bit of salad there, but it looks a bit low.
That's probably the same salad from when we first got here.
Nah, it's not. That's not, but yeah, they always have watermelon, which is nice for Eli. They got their cereal, it's the same one every day.
Fresh milk from the cows.
And they always have like a few pastries. And the food for today always normally changes. So they got fried rice today.
Oosh.
Nice.
And the salt.
They got pasta.
Oosh.
They always have grilled tomatoes.
That's a must for breakfast.
And they have some sort of veggie stir fry.
Got a bit of chili in there.
Oh, they got fish. Ooh, dory.
It's more like a lunch than a breakfast.
Sweet and sour. I think it's a Bali breakfast. And then they always have beef sausage or chicken sausage. And these are like, I don't know, condiments or something.
These are the soya sauce, angi soya sauce, mukia, all of that. And then they got porridge.
So that's the breakfast buffet.
Let's go.
There's one look.
This guy trying to show me how to do it. Why don't you do it yourself?
Amen.
Amen.
Good boy, Eli.
Evander. Yeah, this is what my breakfast is looking like. Got omelette, some cereal, a mix of fried rice, fruits, croissant, sausage, and some greens. That's what I'm having today. Is E feeling a little sick, so he's just lying down over here. What's he having?
Egg, toast, and sausage.
Mom.
Well, keeping it simple.
Mom.
303, 382. We're off with the crew again. So what's up, babe?
Bye-bye. What in the...
We are here at Hard Rock Hotel.
What's goody, fam? We just got to the new hotel. Thanks, fella. These are the complimentary drinks from the hotel. And leave it alone. Okay, brother, my man. So, as I was saying, we just got into Hard Rock Hotel. Is it Hard Rock Hotel?
Hard Rock Hotel.
Hard Rock Hotel. We're just chilling in what looks like a club. With the kids as well. So, Evander's become the youngest millionaire, and then he's also
the youngest clubber.
Youngest clubber.
No, Eli's the youngest clubber.
Yeah, but we're just hanging out here until
our rooms are ready.
our rooms are ready. So this hotel here, this is the 5-star hotel. So yeah, this is the one we're gonna spend.
So far, we've got an 2-star service.
2-star service.
Nah, just from the guy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's real rude.
The man was a bit rude, so I threw the passport at him.
We got there and he was like, give me your passport.
And then I said to him, "Do you mean give you your passport, please?" And he goes, yeah, and then I threw on my passport.
Like, how hard is it to just be nice?
It's like, mate, it's an expensive hotel, mate. I don't think you can afford to pay for it, so don't be rude. You know? We're only staying here because it's her 30th, alright?
Exactly. A little peas will be nice.
But yeah, stay tuned, we'll show you around and check out the room. Let's go, family. Oh, we got a cheers before we go. To the Vee family.
Yay. That's mine, Mom. I drink it.
Vanda, Eli, come on. Boys are already up to no good. Look at them. While we're waiting for the room, the boys are just on the loose. It's really cool out here, man. Like, I don't know, but if you're like a rock and roll fan, you'd love this place. It's mad. Come on. I can't push you in that. We'll get in trouble. Come on.
We're finally going to our room. Damn, the cheeks are getting rounder and rounder. Oh yeah, and wait, let's flip the screen around. We got a pram.
Dad, you can't catch me.
Come on, Nanda.
The guy can get here.
He's got the magic key. Here we are. Oh, look at that. Isn't it fancy? What I was trying to say was that we found a pram. What's it called? They hire prams here, so it's so good. It's only like $5 a day, which is actually pretty good.
Wait.
Yeah, you love it.
Wait. Oh, wow.
You're like, oh wow.
Oh, look.
So cool.
Oh, my God.
Oh, sorry. Look at this.
You gotta get the view. Sorry, Eli, I'm gonna push you to the side.
Oh dang.
Hey, where's the slide?
Wow, look at that.
Oh, where's the slide?
Relax, Vanda.
Look, it doesn't have slide.
It does, it's on the other side. Yo. What is it? Oh, I just spotted it. That's a must.
Even the speakers are boss.
Oh,
There's a slide.
look at that. The mirror and the TV is all in one. And the beds.
Thank you so much.
That view, damn.
Thank you.
Dear Mr. Vaila, Mr. Vaila, Mr. Vaila, Mr. Vaila. Sorry, the first one was Mrs. Vaila. Damn. So this one here is like the courtyard. I showed it before, but our room's up somewhere over there. It's actually that one there, I think. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. This is more like the family area, so I read. It's even got a bar in that as well. Bit pricey with food and everything, but yeah, guess you get that with fancy places like this.
Just chilling.
This pool's nice because it's not as loud as, it's not as packed. The other side, we're gonna check out tomorrow, is pretty. I'm a fish or swim.
Swim, na kaya nga yaring mo swim.
Go. Yay! Good boy, baby. This is a cool little bubbly spa area. Eli! Eli! What does he want to do? Vanda.
Yo, what's up? Having Macca's. Not really too happy with the guy that delivered it. He took like 2 hours to bring it. And then he drops my chicken when he brings it to me. And yeah, anyways, not bad for 28 bucks. Got a couple of burgers, chicken and cheeseburger, double burger, chicken. Yeah, another night in because too tired to go out. So yo.
Eli's out.
Me and Eli just chilling. Mom and Vanda's gone to check it out. This is like the outside eating. It's pretty cool. And then there's where the food is.
Vee Family, we're having breakfast and we're eating. I have like raised milk.
Mommy, there, your milk's here. Your milk's here. Yeah.
My sauce and
So what do you got? Tell us what you got.
milk,
Yeah.
and then pancake,
Yeah.
then cotton sauce.
Pancake sauce syrup, and that's French toast, huh?
Yeah, Eli wants it.
Does he? Is that Eli's?
Yeah.
Is that you, Eli?
Eli, that is free.
Yeah, that's Eli's food. Yeah, fai loko.
Today for the food. This is body. This is rain. Amen.
Amen. Let's go.
Morning, fam. We're just having our first breakfast here at Hard Rock, and this is what I got. Got some French toast, a cupcake, some pastries, and a mix of just a mix of everything. And I also got like a little banana yogurt and some fruits for Eli. Where's Eli? Who's this guy? How cool is Is this your friend? What is it, Amanda?
Daddy did it.
Did you do it? There's the guy. Daddy did it. Oh, well, your dad can't do everything. There's a guy outside that did it, Amanda.
Swimming with a slider. What's it, babe?
I'm here to the kids area.
Oh.
I like the kids' little playground.
Oh, yeah. Party's over there. Phone party. Amanda's gonna come down that red side. Eli, you're shooting everyone. Ah, here comes the chips in there as well.
Oh, yay.
Hey, Linda.
Thank you.
Babe, Eli's like, thank you.
Thank you. Yummy, Mando? Put it in, put it in, put it in. Yeah. Ino.
Thanks for that,
Thank
brother.
you.
Guess I'll squeeze the lemon in the Sprite.
Hi, sorry.
Cheers. And there's your one, babe. I think your one's got alcohol in it.
No.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
that's good.
Oh, that's yum.
That's Eli's one? Josh gets Eli. You know. That's your strawberry one, Manda.
Is it nice? It's alright. Yeah.
Son, you're skunks. You're skunks. All the girls here want my poor son.
Oh, you're Eli.
Wait. Yeah, Inu. I said. How's your drink, babe?
That's nice.
It's good?
Would have been better if it was a bit cold, but still nice.
Is it not cold?
It's like lukewarm kind of.
Oh, mate. Come on, where did he walk it from? All the way from the market? Oh, this is only like popping 10% of what... Oh, this is only 10% of the actual pool. Never seen a place with so many pools, man. Ah. Well, man, me and wifey are just talking about how I almost fucking spent money. I was almost going to spend $600 just to get another room.
Only for 2 days.
Oh my gosh, what was I thinking? I think this becoming a millionaire here in Bali's got into my head. Yeah, the boys! Oh, wow, man. They got the band up there. Yeah. We're gonna go one more time on the slide, eh, Venda? Hey. That's mad. Babe, I think they're the same band that plays in that other one. The boys got their matching tails. No, they're not matching, but you had fun, Vanda? You had fun, babe? Ah, you look beautiful, baby. Scotty, we're eating in again. This time it's not Eli that's sick, it's me. I'm having fruit. This is my plate. This is wifey's plate.
I got some brownies.
Yo.
And nasi campur.
Whatever that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stick to my fruit. Oh, I'm mad sister.
Fruit and some Sprite. Yeah. So you're feeling a bit better, yeah?
A little bit better.
Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow you'll...
We've got one son over there that donked his head and now he's crying, waking up because it's sore.
I'm so worried. Hopefully he's okay. Yeah. The other one's down here, who knows? Eli, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Hi. Yeah, we're calling it a night.